Hello and welcome back to my channel, Main Street Aspect. Within today's video I will be discussing why I believe that bringing IPs into Epcot is maybe a good thing. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it.
This is Epcot Center. Epcot Center at Walt Disney World in Florida.
Before I begin, I want to talk about the history of Epcot. It all began with Walt Disney, when he created and opened Disneyland in Anaheim. Because of the success of this park, he had ideas of expanding his theme park idea to the east coast of America. The state of Florida caught his eye, and it was decided that this would be the next location for his theme parks. It was planned to have a Disneyland-style park, as well as Walt's very own experimental prototype community of tomorrow, Epcot for short. This would have been a living city that Walt had planned, and honestly it sounded pretty cool. Unfortunately, Walt passed away, and his brother Roy stepped in to finish the Magic Kingdom. Skipping forward a few years, Disney had the idea of expanding the Florida resort. They began by looking back at Walt's ideas and came to the conclusion that his plan for Epcot couldn't be carried out without him. They then went on to use this same premise and build a theme park called after it. This was a totally different park from the Magic Kingdom, as there were no Disney movies that would be displayed within the park. It opened in 1982 and was a success. Epcot is made up of two sections, Future World and the World Showcase. Walt's idea really did come across within the Future World section of the park, as it is like a permanent World's Fair. Today Epcot is still fully fitting with this theme, except for the implementation of IPs. The Epcot purists out there would literally scream when something new is announced for the park that includes an IP. I don't disagree with the reviews, but I also see good reasons that come from it. First reason why I believe IPs to be a good thing within Epcot is that no matter what they are planning to do, at least we the public are getting updates and getting something new to the park. Like some of the rides in Epcot are really outdated, so bringing in IPs means that there must be some kind of update, which is a win-win most of the time. With this we can see a new lease of life in the park and see more people being drawn in due to check out the new updates. The second reason I believe IPs are a good thing for Epcot is that it brings us some of the most technically advanced animatronics we have seen. This is especially true when it comes to the Elsa animatronic in Frozen Ever After. The arm movement is next level. Going along with this, the Frozen IP also does fit well with the Scandinavian theme in the Norway Pavilion. I have no doubts that the animatronics within the Guardians ride will be some of the best we have ever seen. We just have to look at the rugged animatronic that is currently in Mission Breakout in the California Adventure Park. The final reason is that it will bring in a new audience. This in itself is very important as it introduces a new generation into the Epcot park, and from this we would see the attendance within the park raise. With this, it also puts money into Disney's pocket, which can be spent on further updates to all the parks and resorts, and even potentially give them a reason to give us a fifth park, which in my opinion would make Walt Disney World the best tourist attraction in all of the world, if it's not already classed as that. I know that this was a shorter video, but I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon to be notified when I post my latest videos. Have a wonderful day.